Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi Bah Lahkmen rumpui ulapan pawe ka jingbam thikna halor ka rajong ka Meghalaya Transport Corporations MTC bakan pynsangeh no ka jingshakri ki skul nadu ka shitarik yayong arpun rio. Ngimpat yu asatya bantok kit benya balai bak MTC kala pynsangeh kumta tat hadin bangalatip ya kidaw kalong ko ba nga ban kentho halor kani ong Bah Lahkmen haba keren Syllad thai kubor haga khat artrik kelalingkon haba jubab ya ka jingkali halor ka rajong ka MTC kabalawan ra ka jingsung kya hapadeng ki mi pa ki balapan pau ka jingku slai halor ka jingla ban kershan bat shania hai ki wei pat ki kali kenthop ki bus stem bat ki kali shiman Henry Menteri ulapan pau halor ka jing persang jong ka sorkar ban shimi ki senjam ban weng jingkhapnya ki surang bat ban kershan ni kena skul haba kedaw halor ka jing sedang pentre kam ki bus stem nadu kini ki arsnam baladam da Menteri rangba ke jela ukon rat ki sama ngas ngungu shisha ya Menteri rangba namar hai kini ki arsnam baladam ula pelaj kini ki bus stem ki balayarap shibun ong Bah Lahkmen haba pen pawe ka jing sngus kem baka sorkar ka nang pen bun shu ya kini ki bus Bah Lahkmen ula banjur ru halor ka jing IT jong ka sorkar na kebenta ka jing syakri na kebenta upat ba da ka baong kadai ka kamram jong ka sorkar kadai na kebenta upat ba ula kularu balada kini ki bus stem kilong shisha ki bayaram ka sorkar ka nang pen bun shu ya ka jing don jengki ha kini ki benai bat ki snem ki bandang wan.
We have not seen the report also that why the MTC have stopped. So until and unless I know the reason, it is very difficult for me to comment on that. But having said that, we have seen that the government is encouraging the carpooling for the student so that it will solve the traffic congestion. More importantly, it will help the student community, and I'm very grateful to Honorable Chief Minister. 2 years back, he have launched this STEM bus, which is quite helpful. I'm sure that the government will increase the availability. I'm sure the government have the proper plan to tackle this decision of MTC. See, as I said, that it is the duty of the government. The government is for the public, and we will see if the STEM bus is very helpful, and I know it is very helpful. The government will surely will increase their numbers in the years and months to come.